how do I know if my car's worth fixing? Well, let me address that today and see if I can help you figure that out. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, my view of the automobile is it's a tool. And so I got to tell you, for most situations, do not consider fixing your car as an investment to get a return on your investment. So if you're going to sell your car or something, I don't think it's worth fixing because I don't think you'll get as much more for the car to offset what you spent to fix it. So here's what I suggest. First of all, if the car is something special, like I have a 1955 GMC pickup, well, that's a classic, so the value of that's going to be completely different. If it's something that's sentimental to you, then that's something completely different. You'll have to decide whether you want to really fix it or not. But beyond that, what I recommend is that you look at the repair as rental. So let's say the car is serving you well, you like it, you're going to keep it for a long period of time. Get a good thorough inspection of the car, bumper to bumper, see what it would cost to fix everything, and then go, okay, if I can make this car last another 3 years, divide that out, and if it's only a couple $100s a month, then it's probably worth the repair if you're going to continue to drive the car. Because otherwise, car payments now are running in the $600 range. It can be quite an expense over time. So look at what it's going to cost to make the car do what you want it to do for a length of period of time, and then decide how much that is per month. And then that should help you decide whether it's worth fixing or not. Truthfully, the market value of the car is not a determining factor in whether or not you should fix it. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.